Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and on this video we're talking about understanding Forex pairs for beginners. What are Forex pairs? Forex pairs are relationship between two currencies of two different countries. For example, Euro and Great Britain pounds. These two currencies on their own, they are only currencies. But when you combine them, you have a currency pair. It will now be Euro versus Great Britain pounds. And what you're trying to say now is you're trying to contest which of the currency pairs will be stronger. If Euro is having a strong period, it means that when you combine it to GBP, that's Euro GBP, the currency pair Euro GBP is going to be bullish, meaning it's going to be buying, increasing in price. But when it is having a bad time, that's Euro is having a bad time in their economy, for example, and the currency is tanking, which is selling, it means that when you talk about Euro GBP, the currency pair, the chart is going to be on a downtrend. Now, the same thing applies to Great Britain pounds. Once you have Euro GBP and you are having a bad time in Great Britain economy, it means that this Great Britain bad time or downtime is going to affect the chart of Euro GBP. It means for that period, Great Britain pounds is going to be weaker than Euro, and the chart is going to still be what? Bullish. Why is it bullish? Because if Euro does not have any fundamental issues affecting the currency pair, it means that it will be stronger than Great Britain pounds that is having a fundamental issue at that particular time in their economy. Now, another example is Euro versus US dollar. Euro in this case is going to be regarded as the base currency, while USD is the quote currency. Now, if you are buying Euro USD, what you are trying to say is that Euro is going to gain strength more than US dollars. And if you are selling Euro USD, what you are saying is that Euro is going to get weaker than US dollars. It's as simple as that. Now, as a beginner, what you should understand in the Forex market is that not all these pairs behave the same way. Not all of them move the same way. There are some that are more volatile than others. Now, for example, there is a currency pair called USD-JPY. That is US dollar versus Japanese yen. That's a very sporadic pair compared to Euro GBP. Why? Because it moves faster than Euro GBP. Now, for the list of pairs that you can be trading as a beginner-friendly pairs, you can start off with Euro USD, Euro GBP, AUD USD, and the likes. These are beginner pairs that are friendly. They don't move so fast, so aggressively. But pairs like USD JPY, GBP JPY, and sometimes GBP USD, they are very volatile currency pairs that you should try as much as possible to avoid them if you are a beginner trader. But for more advanced guys, you can be trading GBP USD, and you can even trade on metals, gold, and the likes. Now, if you still need more clarification on this type of angle of Forex, things that you don't still understand about what I just explained now, you can join our Telegram channel to start the mentorship program with us today, or ask me questions personally through Telegram. The link is in the description box below. Sign up now with my broker also. The link is also in the description box. I drop free signals on my Telegram group. You can also join us to take free signals. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notification. God bless you.